Introduction to Windows Task Scheduler.
Windows Task Scheduler is a built-in tool that allows you to automate repetitive tasks on your computer. With it, you can schedule programs to run, send emails, or display messages at specific times or intervals. Automating tasks saves time and ensures important processes are performed consistently, even if you're not at your computer.
Accessing Task Scheduler.
To get started, open the Start menu and type Task Scheduler. Click on the Task Scheduler app in the results. The interface may look technical, but its basic functions are user-friendly and don't require deep technical knowledge. Familiarize yourself with the layout to make creating tasks easier.
Creating a basic scheduled task.
Click Create Basic Task in the Actions panel on the right. Enter a name and description for your task. Next, select how often you want your task to run: daily, weekly, monthly, or when a specific event is triggered. The wizard will guide you through setting the schedule and defining what the task will do.
Configuring actions and settings.
Choose the action you want Task Scheduler to perform, like starting a program, sending an email, or displaying a message. Browse to select the specific program or script you want to run if applicable. Review the settings and click Finish to activate your scheduled task. You can later adjust these settings by double-clicking your task in the Task Scheduler library.
Managing and monitoring tasks.
Tasks can be edited, disabled, or deleted at any time by selecting them in the Task Scheduler library. The History tab lets you view each task's past runs and any issues. Proper monitoring ensures your recurring tasks operate smoothly and can be quickly fixed if problems arise.
Closing tips for reliable automation.
That's your scheduled tasks after creating them to make sure they run as expected. Keep your scripts and programs updated and regularly check Task Scheduler for error messages or missed executions. With proper setup and review, Windows Task Scheduler can reliably automate your routine tasks.